This is a brand new 2012 Land Rover LR4. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 5.0-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a locking center differential, a sunroof, heated seats, big 19-inch wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front fog lights, privacy glass, rear impact crumple zones, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and a rear-view camera. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Land Rover Dallas is located at 11400 North Central Expressway in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.